Hey, I'm Jordan Forster with Ridgeline Roofing and Restoration, here to complete a repair test on claim number 01-9758-76X. So we're going to unseal this shingle, and this shingle due to the, obviously, to unseal this, there's nails in the back of it, so you got to remove these as well. So we're going to unseal these with this roof snake and try not to create any more damage. But as you can see here, where this one had already came off, there's tons of mat transfer. So I'm thinking that's what we're going to be dealing with, but let me just see. I'll be as gentle as I can. Nails out. When I was unsealing this, the mat transfer on the back of this was not good. So once I start to undo these shingles will never seal back down properly. And having a problem with this one. Tore the shingle trying to get this nail out. So we're already causing widespread damage just trying to unseal this shingle. I'm going to replace this. I think I'm missing one more nail up here. One second. That is creating terrible mat transfer, taking these nails out. This one's ripped completely. Second. That just tore that shingle tremendously right here. Terrible mat transfer to this mat. Missed a few nails here. All right, let's check the back of this shingle out. You can see there's awful mat transfer down through here, and this shingle here obviously was already blown off, but you can see how brittle it was to just snap there. Time to reinstall these nails. So the issue with putting a newer shingle in here, this shingle's so old, 20 years, or 3 tabs are only supposed to last 20 years. Not only did I cause more damage down the line of this shingle where I had to pull it up, so it exposes it to wind damage. The next straight line winds that come through, all these shingles that I had to unseal to get to this one will just, you know, continue to be damaged. So with this repair, I'm causing widespread damage to all these shingles, and you have it on multiple slopes, so we're asking for the full replacement of this roof. But this new shingle will never adhere to this old shingle due to age, and this is how brittle this shingle is. Should be good. They shouldn't need to see